once you log in into Asana, your dashboard looks something like this. Okay, actually basically it will be empty, there won't be any workspaces and there won't be any team. Okay, but once you have logged in, you can invite other people in your team. For example, I want to add Karen here, so I can send her, just see if the email address is correct.
Yes, Karen dot Vishnu.
Okay,
Right.
and I can also actually assign you to the project if projects are already created as well. For example, I want Karen to help me in website design, so then I'll assign the project also. So now I have invited one teammate to my workspace website designing project. Okay, so basically my workspace is nothing but different projects. Okay, so it's always smart to have your work divided into various projects. You might be working for a client, and in with that particular client you might be working on a single project or two projects. Okay, if you
Okay.
are working on two entirely different projects, always smart to create two new projects. Okay, for example, if you are creating on a same on only one project, then let's create one project. Okay, for example, and I prefer taking a blank project for now. Okay,
Okay.
you can actually go through all the templates and see if those templates fulfill your needs. Okay, so
Hmm.
but I will show you a blank project. You can check other template projects, in which template project means those projects will have their subtask and task and list board, everything is already chosen for you. Okay, so
Okay.
now my this project could be something like content calendar. Okay, so I want to create a calendar, I want to have a content calendar with me, in which I assign various team members various tasks in my content calendar, like blog post, website designing, or anything related to content generation and SEO. Okay, so
Hmm.
then I can even select a view. Would I prefer a list for my contact project, or board, or a calendar form? The one good thing about Asana is you can actually shift from one view to the other, so it is not very much redundant. Like if you choose list, you should remain on list all throughout. There is no such requirement. You
Okay.
can change between the views. Okay, I prefer list. Okay, but you can also check out board. And actually speaking, for people who are very visual, no, I feel board is a much better option. And people who are very much into task, subtask, and checking out list types, for them list. And I'm very much of that type of person, so I'll use list. Okay, and
Hmm.
privacy, I can keep it public to my workspace. Okay, I've created a workspace before, you've seen that, right? I
Yeah.
can create a workspace, or I can keep it only private to me. If this project is not yet public to other team members, it is something which I'm working privately on, then I can keep it private. Okay,
Okay.
so I'll just click on create project. So now we have created a project called content calendar. Fine. Now I can add task. So in content calendar, maybe my first task is blog post. Okay,
Hmm.
and then I can have a section, another tasks. Okay, so getting it, I can have a section in project.
Okay.
Getting it, this is just a task, this is a section. I
Hmm.
can create like 2 to 3 sections. Inside each section I can have a task.
Okay.
For example, this shouldn't have been delete task, I'll do. Okay, so these are my 3 sections. Okay, in content calendar I have one is blog management. Okay,
Okay.
blog management. Hmm. And then one could be SEO related. Hmm. SEO related, and another could be website designing. Okay,
Okay.
so these are my 3 different sections. Website designing. Okay, now these are bigger subsection, for which in turn there are tasks inside. Okay, for example, अब इसके अंदर I can create tasks. See, in blog management we have one weekly blogs.
Hmm.
Okay, and then I can have one um, monthly blog. All right, in
Hmm.
SEO related also I can have various subtasks, etc. Okay, now these tasks might be assigned to someone, no? For example, I give weekly block to Karen, okay,
Okay.
and I think monthly block should be done by Swati. Okay, so now I want weekly block to be online every Monday, which means on Friday Karen should send it to me for approval. Okay, so for example, now it is something like I can do it as 12th. Okay, you give me a block, and then for me maybe it is 15th of the month.
Okay.
All right, so
Hmm.
you're getting it. So there is due date also, which you can, if you want to add few more fields, you can. Okay, you can give some rules also. Okay, I don't think it is a free feature. In free feature you won't be able to make rules, but yes, you can add some fields. Let me see what else. Okay, I can add tags. What tags can I add? Okay, tag could be anything related to weekly blog. I could give you some tags or
Okay.
some topics, etc. Those things.
Hmm.
Now this is list view. Okay, so if I want to see the same thing in board view, I can just go here and see. It is board view.
Okay.
You can see it, right?
Yes.
Blog management, the look changes,
Yeah.
and you can even give assigned colors, I guess, for the project. For example, content calendar ke liye we can give a project.
Okay.
Content ke liye we can even give a icon, something like this, and maybe blue. Got it? So different projects have different colors, different views. Okay, so once the whole project is set and there is bunch of tasks which are created amongst each section, what we can do, we can assign it to various people. Now when Karen logs in, no, all her tasks for whom Karen is being assigned, no, she will be able to see my tasks.
Okay.
Okay, and you will also be getting this, when is the due date. Okay,
Hmm.
all right, you can add more people, you can start a collaboration, etc., and then the whole team can work on a single project. Everybody will have a same view. Okay, we can even again take care of the privacy part, who can see what and all. So all those settings also can be done. Okay, for free this much is enough. In a free Asana account you will be able to do this, like create workspaces, which is nothing but project, create teams. Okay, and then in each project you can create subsections, and each sections you can have subsections. Each subsection can be assigned to a certain person, and we can even give him due date, and we can also add some tags related to the task.
Okay.
Okay, and we can see reports, etc., in more, I believe.
But does the
And we
person
can
get
download.
any notification to the email as well?
Yes, um
No,
I
no.
think so.
Email
i I think so. I think so. Just a minute, like this is
means is
connected to,
connected to the email.
I should. So once a task is assigned, you should. Did you receive an email? No, right?
No.
I think we can make some connections. I am not aware of it, but
Okay.
we should be able to do that.
So only when the person logs into Asana itself, then they can
Huh.
see like what
Then
task
if
they
they
have to do.
use Asana, then they will use it every day. No,
Okay. Okay.
every day morning you log in, you see what all are the tasks assigned to you, what are the due dates for each. You work on that.
Okay. And then
See,
by
I have made,
work on it, you have to click on that blog thing.
you have to work on the task and then mark it complete.
Okay.
Understood. See, now this email marketing campaign had so many other sections, launch the campaign, welcome campaign, in which there were designing newsletters, MailChimp setup, qualify the leads. So like that, we have created many, and we can change the status like this now. Task पहले to do में होते हैं. Once a task is assigned, then you can move it to in progress, and then once they're
Okay.
completed, you can do a done.
Done. Okay.
So this is the life cycle. We can even change this life cycle. We can have some intermediate steps also. Like done se pehle, we can have an approval stage also.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So actually you need to do a little bit of hands-on, so that you can understand all the features of Asana. Free features, at least for now.
Hmm.
Okay, this much should be sufficient. If you're working for your client also, what he will do is he will add you in various projects. He will assign you various tasks through Asana, and you go to Asana and you change the, like, for example, I have a question in launching the campaign. I can ask this question here only. Unable to do something or stuck with something, okay, finish this, waiting for your approval. Any message which you would like to send to your project manager can be sent here. You can even make attachments. For example, you have made a campaign wala poster or a template, then you can attach that template and send it for approval from here itself. You need not even go to your email and send it through your email.
Okay.
Once I have completed, I can even mark it as complete. All right.
Okay.
If a task needed few more subtasks, there is an option to add subtask also. Like email marketing campaign could be one marketing campaign. A task could be email marketing campaign. In email marketing campaign, you can have few more subtasks, like creating contact list could be one task, creating template for marketing campaign could be a task, and writing an sales pitch email, which you're going to send, that could be one subtask.
Okay.
Any post, any graphic designs or any GIFs you have made, that could be one subtask. We can do all this in so that our work is very much organized and everybody is aware at what point you are stuck. All right. Okay. So it's all about how well you plan your project. You should have that view very clear. In this project, what are my sections, what are my tasks, what are my subtasks, and which task will be done by whom, and what is my due date, how is the timeline going to work, how are we working on our estimates, are we fulfilling all our estimates or not. So all that view, a project manager will have a very nice bird eye view when he's using Asana. Okay. Trello is also similar. Even it has a board view, list view, but there are some things, like it doesn't allow you to move from one view to other view in mid of the project and some stuff like that. And once you know Asana, if you see one small tutorial on Trello, you'll be able to work on Trello on your own. Okay.